Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of setting up your Cuu Wi-Fi extender using the WPS method. This simple and efficient method allows you to quickly connect your extender to your router without manual configurations, helping you expand your Wi-Fi coverage and eliminate dead zones in minutes. Start by plugging your Cuu Wi-Fi extender into a wall outlet located near your router. Allow a few moments for the device to power on. Once the LED indicator begins blinking, it signals that the extender is powered up and ready to begin the setup process. Begin by identifying the WPS button on both your Wi-Fi router and the Cuu Wi-Fi extender. The WPS button is usually labeled with an icon resembling two curved arrows forming a circular shape. It's often found on the front or side of the devices. Press the WPS button on your Wi-Fi router to initiate the WPS pairing mode. Once activated, the router will begin searching for compatible devices. You'll generally have a window of about 2 minutes to connect your Cuu Wi-Fi extender before the pairing mode times out. Within the 2-minute window, press the WPS button on your Cuu Wi-Fi extender. This action allows the extender to establish a connection with your router. Once the connection is successful, the LED indicator on the extender will turn solid green, confirming the pairing process is complete. Disconnect the extender from the power outlet and relocate it to a position roughly halfway between your router and the area requiring improved Wi-Fi coverage. Once in place, plug it back into a wall outlet and wait for the LED indicator to turn solid green, confirming a stable connection. Lastly, test your Wi-Fi signal strength in areas that previously experienced weak or no connectivity. With the Cuu Wi-Fi extender successfully set up, you should notice a significant improvement in signal strength and stability, ensuring a faster, more reliable internet connection throughout your home or office. If you face any issues or require assistance during the setup process, don't hesitate to reach out. Our team of experienced professionals is ready to provide support and guidance. Contact us anytime at 1-323-507-3713. And we'll be happy to help resolve your concerns. And there you have it. Setting up your Cuu Wi-Fi extender using the WPS method is fast, simple, and hassle-free. If this video helped you improve your Wi-Fi connection, please give it a thumbs up and share your feedback in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.